A lot of people ask me, why do you press your soil after sowing the seeds? When you sow your seeds and then you press the soil after sowing your seeds, there are two things that happen. Now, the very first thing this technique does is that it makes the seeds come in contact with as much soil as possible, which prevents the seeds from drying out, and it helps to increase the germination rate. Now, to germinate, the seeds need moisture and warmth. So if you put your seed trays on heat mats, they can dry out very quickly. So if you provide the correct amount of moisture to your seeds, you can sustain that moisture for your seeds. You can increase your germination rate by 95%. I had a lot of trouble taking out my seedlings safely and then transplanting those seedlings. Whenever I would take out my seedlings, all the soil would just crumble. That's when I asked the 76-year-old farmer, I said, "Hey Ben, what can I do about this?" And he simply said, when you sow your seeds, just press the soil after sowing your seeds. This compresses the soil, and when the roots grow into the soil, the roots bind the soil, and when you take the seedlings out, they come out like a nice block. The soil never crumbles. Now, when I sow my seeds, I make sure my soil is moist to begin with. Then I make a space in each cell for my seeds, and I sow the seeds about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch deep. I cover the seeds and then I gently press the soil down. This compresses the soil, however, it does not compact the soil because the potting soil is airy to begin with. Now, if you ever use the soil block tools, that's what they do as well. They compress the soil so you can put the seeds in there and grow your seedlings. Let me take out this tomato seedling for you. Well, look at this seedling. Look at how nicely the soil just comes out and all the roots are just holding onto this soil. The soil never crumbles. Well, I wanted to keep it really short and sweet and give you all the information. So if you like this video, check out this video on Complete Guide on Growing Seedlings, and I'll see you in another video.